Necchi 3101 FA. 3101 FA, Necchi Sew and Search Series. With the basic Sew and Search Series 3101 FB, you can just set the color-coded dials and see magic happen. Straight sewing, zigzag, buttonholes, invisible blind hem, elastic stitch, satin stitch, embroidery, sew-on buttons, and snaps. All of this and more without the need of old-fashioned cams or programmers. 3101 also has a convenient accessory box built into the expansion plate. Do all this and more easily and efficiently. Color-coded dial with traction belt drive. Makes it effortless to work on hard-to-get areas. For sewing corner seams, pant legs, small areas, armholes, darning, patching, mending slacks, and more. Here are some stitching patterns that the Necchi 3101 FA can do. Straight stitch, zigzag, buttonhole, and utility stitches. Plus these outstanding features: built-in fold-away carrying handle, snap-on accessories for convenience, bobbin winder with automatic shut-off, only 2 dials to run, double spool pins for 2 needle sewing, instant reverse level for tying seams, drop feet for freehand embroidery and darning, light alloy metal body in a modern style. For more information, please visit www.necchi-sewing-machine.com.